Insurance, not the most glamorous world, right? But what if I tell you there is a British diploma that turns boring insurance into a power career across 150 countries? It's called the CII diploma from the Chartered Insurance Institute London. Fancy name, global respect, and a course that can literally open the doors to the world's biggest insurance firms. The Chartered Insurance Institute CII is the UK's oldest and the most respected professional body for the insurance and financial planning. Their diploma in the insurance is an internationally recognized qualification designed for the people working in general, life, or commercial insurance. Now, think of it as the passport to understanding how risk, policy, and people's space of mind all connect. And yes, you will finally understand why insurance agents smile even during the storms. This diploma is for anyone in the insurance or the finance world. Whether you are underwriting the policies, handling the claims, managing the risk, or selling the life insurance. It's also great for the students who want to work in the multinational insurance companies. And or even a fintech startups dealing with the insurtech, and in short, you can explain the premium loading without loading your brain. You belong here. Now, this program works on a credit system. You need to earn 120 credits, a mix of compulsory and optimal subjects. Modules include the insurance law, risk management, claims handling, reinsurance, and the business ethics. Exams are computer based and that can be taken globally through the remote or the local test centers, and it's flexible, self-paced, and if you complete it, you are halfway to the advanced CII qualification, the advanced diploma, which can earn you the title of Chartered Insurance Practitioner. Sounds classy, very classy, right? The CII diploma is respected in the UK, UAE, and Singapore, India, and across the Africa. Many international insurance and brokers prefer the CII qualified professionals. But why? Because it proves you understand not just policy papers, but people, process, and protection. It's a qualification that literally ensures your career against the obsolescence. Now at Dr. Shorov's classes, we make the CII preparation both smart and entertaining. You will learn everything about it. So join Dr. Shorov's classes today.